this method really will make people question whether you're wearing eyelash extensions. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but band where? Where is the band? I don't see her, don't know her. Do you see the...
I just might pop off, cause God is my papa, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashleica. For those of you who don't already know me, welcome. It's so good to have you here. So as you can tell by the title, today I am going to be trying a different method of applying on eyelashes. So as you can see, I have already applied them. So I'm going to be taking you guys through step by step. This isn't technically a tutorial. It was more so of me trying this out for the first time. But I tried to take you guys along step by step in case you would like to follow along with me. But if you feel like it wasn't in-depth enough and you would like an in-depth tutorial on how to do this, please let me know in the comments and I would be super happy to do so. I would just say that for people who don't like touching their eyes or like touching anywhere near their eyes, this method might not be for you. And let's get on with the video. All right, so I watched this video. I will link it somewhere or put it somewhere here on the screen that showed how to pretty much glue false eyelashes underneath your lashes instead of on top of, to give it more of a realistic look. I was doing my makeup and I figured I should film this and try. Hopefully this goes well. Eyelashes have always been a struggle for me and I just started getting the hang of them. So the lashes that I can't speak English. The lashes I'll be using today are the Kiss lashes and they're Teddy. I've been using this lash glue liner by Kiss lately, so I do not have a lot of lash glue left. So I'll be using the Duo glue and it's the brush on one and it's a green one. So I have my lash. What the girl did in this video, she would put the glue on top of the band, not underneath or inside, but on top of. So that's what I'm gonna do, and hopefully this works. I don't know, maybe I should try the liner. Let's see. Okay, wait, it's actually kind of working. Maybe I'll do like a layer of the liner and a layer of the glue. I said wait like 20 seconds, so we're gonna count 1, 2, 20. Okay, I'm scared. So what she did, she used a mirror because obviously we're gonna need a mirror for this, so that she could see the bottom of her. I hope you guys can see, but she would like, I think for her right eye, she started in the inner corner. Sorry if my lashes look crazy. I'm just so scared I'm gonna do this wrong. Oh my gosh, my eyes are already like, I already feel like I'm tearing up. Why am I like scared? Like not breathing. I think I'm gonna need more glue. But I can already tell that when I do this successfully, my eyelashes are gonna look so good. Are you joking? Oh my gosh, wait a minute. So I'm just pressing in to make sure that the lash doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to take the inner corner of my lash because it's not glued yet. Okay, so you see that? I just took the inner corner and I put glue on the top of the lash strip or on the top of the lash band. So I'm just gonna like wait a few seconds and then try to re-glue that in the inner corner of my eye. But I'm shook because already just the outer corner, I see such a huge difference. Like, are you joking? I literally look like I just got eyelash extension. Oh my gosh, I'm about to lose my mind. I think it's been enough. Okay. I feel like my eyes are so sensitive. Guys. Do you see that? No, I'm actually shook because this just changed everything. You're joking. I literally look like I just gave myself lash extensions. Okay, now let's just hope we can do the same thing with the other lash. Band where? Where is the band? I don't see her, don't know her. I do have to go out today, so I will update you guys on how well these eyelashes hold up after a few hours. Yeah, you guys let me know what you think of how they look so far. I think they look pretty decent. All right, so after wearing these for the whole day, going outside on a windy day, it was raining a little bit, I want to share with you guys the pros and cons of this method of applying false eyelashes. So I always like to start with the bad news first, so we'll start with the cons. It is a bit uncomfortable. I would rate the uncomfortability out of like 3 out of 10. I would say it was more of a 4 out of 10 to start with, but then it went down to like a 3, even a 2. Like after about an hour or two, I got super used to it. So after a while, I didn't even realize they were there anymore. It's kind of the same sensation as when you get eyelash extensions. Another bad thing is that wearing eyelashes this way, you might be more likely to have the eyelash come off if you tear up, because normally if you tear up, obviously your inner corner or your outer corner might start to lift depending on where the tears are coming from. But because they're resting on top of your eyes, they're more likely to be loose, but not necessarily come off. But because the eyelash is now underneath your own eyelashes, if you cry, I feel like they'll just fall off. Another con, okay, this isn't really a con, but it's just more so something that you have to be more aware of. You just have to be a lot more attentive to making sure that you clean your eyes if you wear eyelashes this way, just because now instead of being on top of your lash line, you're directly underneath your actual eyelashes. So I would really make sure that you clean up well to reduce risk of infection or styes or anything like that. So it's not necessarily a con, but just something to be aware of. The last con I would have to say about this method, if you're someone who desires that cat eye look, it's a bit harder to achieve with this method, just because normally if you apply your lashes on top of your lash line, you're able to put the outer corner a bit higher than where your lash line actually ends, and then just fill it with eyeliner to give that cat eye look. But because you have no choice but to place it underneath your actual eyelashes, your eyes are just more likely to look droopy than have that cat eye look. But at the same time, that's the same effect that you get with eyelash extensions. So it's not a huge con. It's just a personal preference of mine. I really like that cat eye look and to have everything look lifted at the end. So now for the pros. I think that this method makes my eyelashes look absolutely bomb. You can't see the band. The only thing you might see is if there's glue that's dried in any places, and you could easily just cover that with eyeliner. I saw that a few times when I went in the mirror, especially if I looked off to the side. I could see like dry glue that was white because I use clear glue. So obviously if you use black glue, then you probably won't have this issue. But they look so amazing. This method really will make people question whether you're wearing eyelash extensions. Another amazing thing is that I think it's going to be much less of a hassle to take them off. I just hope that it doesn't hurt my lashes. So I will let you guys know about that. Hey guys, I just finished a workout, so I thought I'd document how, don't mind this bump on my head. I don't know what that is, but she better go. Anyways, I thought I would document how it is to take the lashes off this way. I'm hoping that it's painless. So I'm just gonna try to take them off and hopefully we'll go from there. I'll start with my left eye. I'm just gently pulling. Not bad. Oh! She just came right off. The only residue I have up here is eyeliner because I put a bit of eyeliner to hide like the dry glue. But there's no like glue residue at the top of my lid. Oh my gosh, that was so easy. Okay, let's see how the right one goes. Pulling. Oh, that hurt. I think something got stuck on my lash. That hurt a little bit. Okay, and she's off. I also put eyeliner to hide the glue on this side, so that's all that's there. I feel like all the glue residue is at the bottom, obviously, but there's no residue at the top of my eyelid. Like, there's no glue residue at all. Wow, that was surprisingly really easy. Like, literally, I just felt a tiny bit of pain on one of the lashes because I think I was tugging at the wrong place, but that was surprisingly, like, really painless. So that is another pro. I honestly feel like compared to the first time I started wearing false eyelashes, it was much easier to take these off. it did what it needed to do. And the last thing, as I mentioned, is just that it looks so much more natural instead of having a big obvious lash band for everyone to see, especially when you look down. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but band where? Where is the band? I don't see her, don't know her. I think it looks so much more natural than when you wear falsies the regular way. So that is it. Overall, I'm probably gonna start wearing my lashes this way because I honestly love how it looks. I hope you guys try out this method. Let me know how it goes. Considering this was my first time, I honestly thought that I would not be able to apply these on properly, but I think I did a pretty good job. Again, let me know in the comments if you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on how to do this, since this was more of a like me trying this out for the first time kind of challenge. But yeah, I think that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, join the tribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. In the meantime, don't forget not to limit yourselves and be the best you that you can be, and I will see you next time. Bye.